Okay, so in this example, this particular example is based on relative motion, and the three different cases are given here. In the first case, it is said that for a man moving along the road, say with some speed ux meter per second, and the rain is falling, the rain is having speed in y direction, so say vy. For reference, I will take this as along the road as x-axis and vertically up down as y-axis. So this is the man who is moving like this. Now, the velocity of rain observed by man, that is velocity of rain with respect to man, will be equal to velocity of rain minus velocity of man. So the velocity of rain is in y direction. In the negative y direction, so I'll write minus j cap, while the man is moving in this direction, so it is vx I cap. So according to man, the rain is having this velocity, or the man is observing rain having two different velocity. This one, rain is having velocity ux meter per second in the negative direction, and in vertically down direction vy. So according to this man who is standing, who is moving, so with respect to this man, the rain is falling like this. So in order to protect himself from rain, he should hold umbrella inclined, because due to the relative motion. While in the second case, it is said that, but a man standing on the street keep umbrella vertical. So that is quite easy to understand, because if a man is standing on the ground, it means it is in a state of rest, and rain is falling with say vy meter per second. So what is the velocity of rain observed by this man, that is rain with respect to man? So it will be velocity of rain minus j cap, and minus velocity of man is 0. So according to this man, the raindrops are falling straight downward. That's why he should hold umbrella in vertical direction. Okay, so he should hold his umbrella in vertically upward direction. In the third case, it is seen that, but both the mans keep their umbrella vertical to avoid sun rays. So in such a case, the speed of sun rays, that is light, is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So the velocity of light observed by any man on the ground will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 in negative j cap direction minus velocity of man, but in front of 3 into 10 to the power 8, the velocity of the man is negligible. And that's why for all persons on the ground, for all men's, women's on the ground, they all observe this particular speed of rays, and that's why we cannot compare speed of sunlight with speed of man, and hence all of them have to hold their umbrella upward. Okay, thank you.